Welcome back and good morning all the students who are studying in class 12, and especially this is the class for 12 of English subject, meaning into words. And I hope that yesterday or the day before yesterday you might have seen my classes which were taught different exercises, and also thought that you might get the satisfaction in my teaching learning method. And today I am again going to teach about the relative clause and how the relative clauses used in the incomplete sentence for completing. Here add and appropriate relative clauses to these sentences. Here some incomplete sentences are given, so means these incomplete sentences we have to complete using the relative clause who, whose, whom, that, which, where, when. These relative clause or these words you can use and complete the sentence using the relative clause, or you can use your own ideas, your own reason, your own answer. So here is given, I could not wait to get back to Venice. Here I could not wait to get back to Venice. So means Venice, could not get back to Venice. Venice means one of the place, and instead of place we can use, or you can use, where. In previous classes such kinds of the ideas I had already taught. So means I could not wait to get back to Venice. So means for relation of the Venice you can use different kinds of the reason, different kinds of the answer as well. So where Marco Polo was born. Here means I could not wait to get back to Venice where Marco Polo was born. Here means in this you have to complete the sentence using relative clause. Here where, then completion. Then at last they managed to repair. They managed to repair the telephone. Here means telephone. This telephone, it denotes a type of thing, or type of thing. So means instead of thing, birds and animals, we can use which, that, what. Which, that, what. So in the blank we can use, okay, which had been disconnected. Which had been disconnected. Which had been disconnected. In this way it is completed. And the teacher, doctor, teacher, driver, these are the persons. So instead of person we can use who, whose, whom. So the teacher is a person, so you can write the teacher who was my father's friend. The teacher who was my father's friend, comma, turned round suddenly. So this is also completed. Next, I eventually found the letter. I eventually found the letter. And what is given? In my jacket pocket. So means letter. Letter, it is also type of thing. So we can, or you can write which was written by my mother. Which was written by my mother. So means incomplete sentence. Now it is completed. Here next another. We were all very grateful to Richard. Here we were all very grateful to Richard. Why? Why? Here means Richard. How to connect? Richard means person. Instead of the person, we can use who, whose, whom. So here Richard, who had saved our lives. We were all very grateful to Richard who had saved our lives. So means in this way these sentences have been completed using relative clauses. And as like these exercises, or as like such kinds of the exercises, you can also complete, you can also join the relative clauses, how it is used, how they are used. So means these are the ways of using relative clauses in the blanks or incomplete sentences. So I hope that you can also complete, you can also write, you can also use the relative clauses appropriately, properly in the sentences. So I hope that you have understood very better, and also I hope that you will subscribe, comment and like our channel, and as well as the teaching learning method of meaning into word of class 12. So students, today only this much. I will meet you next class in next day. So please don't miss our class. Thank you.